This technical evaluation was conducted at Taman Melati, Kuala Lumpur, to assess the performance of the COOLMAN 14-inch micro-trenching blade under real job site conditions. The project involved precision micro-trenching, specifically a 10mm wide slot, cut into asphalt for the installation of a 2 by 1 inductive traffic sensor loop. This application requires high accuracy, consistent trench width, and clean, controlled cutting performance. The 14-inch blade diameter provides stable cutting depth, while the 10mm segment thickness ensures uniform slot width, reducing rework and improving efficiency. For this evaluation, we utilized a 5-year-old Tokuden TK450RC floor saw, powered by a Honda GX390 engine. Despite moderate machine condition and slightly restricted water pressure, the blade was tested under realistic, non-ideal working conditions. The total cutting length achieved was 42.65 meters at a consistent depth of 2.5 inches. From the start, the cutting performance was highly stable. The COOLMAN 14-inch micro-trenching blade delivered a sharp and smooth cutting experience with excellent directional control. There was no abnormal vibration, no blade wandering, and the trench width remained consistent throughout. Even under approximately 80% water flow conditions, the blade maintained strong thermal stability. There was no segment chipping, no glazing, and no overheating marks observed. From a productivity standpoint, the blade achieved an average cutting speed of 1.42 meters per minute, which is highly efficient for precision micro-trenching work. Now focusing on wear performance. After completing the full cutting distance, the measured segment wear was only 0.46 millimeters. This indicates a very low wear rate and strong durability under demanding conditions. Based on this data, the estimated blade cost is approximately RM0.78 per meter. This makes the blade not only precise, but also highly cost-effective for infrastructure applications. From a technical perspective, this reflects a high-density diamond bond structure, balancing cutting speed and long segment life. The blade maintains aggressive cutting ability while resisting premature wear, even under suboptimal cooling conditions. This balance is critical, especially for traffic sensor loop installation, where precision and reliability are essential. Most importantly, the client feedback was highly positive. The operator described the experience as sharp, smooth, and stable. In conclusion, the COOLMAN 14-inch micro-trenching blade has proven itself as a reliable, high-performance solution for precision asphalt cutting. It delivers accuracy, stability, durability, and cost efficiency, even under less than ideal conditions. For high-value infrastructure work, this blade is not just suitable, it is built for precision micro-trenching.